Hey guys, as you know, farming is tough. We had a hurricane a couple weeks ago. Our garden is about shot, and we're just, with everything else going on, we just really don't have the energy to pull the weeds, and we're restructuring our entire garden system over winter anyway. So we decided to hire a few farmhands to give us some help to clear out. This is a flower bed. It's just mostly wildflowers in the springtime, and this is one of our garden beds that poison ivy kind of took over, and we have an elderberry here and one back here. We've protected those, and we're gonna take a break and move in our new farmhands and continue the video. Here's our farm help. So we had these goats on the far end of the animal yard, and we don't bring any animals out of the animal yard. They just stay inside, and this is the garden area, but we decided that this would be best. It's good for them, and it's helpful to us. We actually have a rooster. He's in the back. We just call him Goat Rooster because he didn't make the breeding program, but he was super friendly. So he just lives with the goats. So we moved all three of them, and these guys will be eating for a few days, I'm sure. Goats are pretty good at clearing out brush. They're just kind of mixed. The goats, we picked them up because I wanted goats. Christina said I couldn't have goats, and well, we have goats. So the goats are eating the overgrowth from the garden. This bed we're actually going to do away with completely when we reorganize and redesign our garden for the springtime, which we'll do videos on that. We'll follow up this video in a few days and show the progress. These guys are really hard workers. All right, so we got these goats, I don't know, probably about 4 or 5 months ago. They were super skinny. We put a lot of weight on them, fed them some good feed and grass mixture with some hay. So, and my intention with getting goats was to clear brush and do this. So I'm kind of excited that we decided to make this move and put the goats back here today. They're just eating right now. I think they're enjoying life. We'll get back to work and we'll do a follow-up video on this.